The J-35 fighter jet, formerly known as the FC-31 or Gyr Falcon, is China's cutting-edge fifth-generation stealth multi-role combat aircraft developed by the Shenyang Aircraft Corporation, SEC, a subsidiary of the Aviation Industry Corporation of China, AVIC. Designed to compete with other fifth-generation fighters like the American F-35, the J-35 represents a significant leap in China's military aviation capabilities, both in terms of stealth technology and multi-role functionality. The development of the aircraft began around 2010, with its first prototype unveiled in 2012, initially intended for the export market. However, with increasing interest from the People's Liberation Army Navy, PLAN, and Air Force, PLAAF, the aircraft underwent several design enhancements to meet domestic military requirements, including carrier-based operations. The J-35 features a sleek, angular airframe optimized for reduced radar cross-section (RCS), incorporating internal weapons bays, radar-absorbent materials, serrated edges, and a fuselage design intended to minimize infrared and electromagnetic signatures. It is powered by twin engines, and while early versions were equipped with Russian RD-93 engines, newer prototypes are reportedly using China's indigenous WS-19 turbofan engines, offering greater thrust and enabling supercruise capability, allowing the aircraft to cruise at supersonic speeds without the need for afterburners. The J-35 has an estimated maximum speed of Mach 1.8, a combat radius of approximately 1,200 km, and is expected to feature in-flight refueling capabilities to extend its operational range significantly. In terms of avionics and combat systems, the J-35 is expected to be equipped with Advanced Active Electronically Scanned Array, AESA, radar, electro-optical targeting systems, electronic warfare suites, and integrated sensor fusion technologies that provide situational awareness and real-time data sharing. The cockpit is fully digital, incorporating a large area display, helmet-mounted display system, HMDS, and voice command capabilities, ensuring the pilot has maximum control and situational awareness in high-threat environments. It is capable of carrying a wide range of weapons, including beyond visual range air-to-air missiles such as the PL-15, short-range PL-10 missiles, precision-guided munitions, and possibly anti-ship and air-to-ground missiles such as the YJ-83 or YJ-12. The internal weapons base enhance stealth capabilities, while external hardpoints may be used for additional ordnance in less stealth-critical missions. One of the most notable aspects of the J-35 is its suitability for carrier-based operations, distinguishing it from the earlier FC-31 concept. The aircraft features folding wings, strengthened landing gear, and tailhook systems to accommodate takeoff and landing on aircraft carriers such as the Fujian class type Safar-13, China's latest generation of flat-deck supercarriers equipped with electromagnetic catapults. These modifications indicate a clear intent by the plan to deploy the J-35 as a naval stealth fighter, comparable to the U.S. Navy's F-35C. Moreover, the J-35 is considered a potential export candidate for countries unable to purchase Western fifth-generation aircraft due to cost or political restrictions, positioning China as a competitor in the global advanced fighter market. While it is still undergoing testing and has not yet been mass-produced or officially commissioned into service, the J-35 reflects China's rapid advancement in aviation technology and strategic military planning. It signifies a growing emphasis on power projection, stealth warfare, and technological parity with Western air forces. Once operational, the J-35 is expected to play a crucial role in China's efforts to achieve air superiority and maritime dominance in contested regions such as the South China Sea, and it may significantly shift the balance of power in future aerial and naval conflicts.